Imagine waking up to a world where the price of gold has skyrocketed to an unprecedented $4,000 per ounce, a milestone that signals deeper economic tremors beneath our feet. This isn't just a number, it's a wake-up call about how global uncertainties are reshaping the value of one of humanity's oldest treasures. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this surge a golden opportunity or a bubble waiting to burst? Let's dive into the details and uncover what this means for investors and everyday folks alike. On March 25th, 2025, in Clermont-Ferrand, France, a striking scene unfolded with stacks of what appeared to be counterfeit gold bars, captured in a photo by Romain Costaseca for AFP via Getty Images. This image serves as a poignant reminder of the allure and potential pitfalls of gold in today's volatile market. For the first time ever, gold prices climbed to $4,000 an ounce on Tuesday, driven by investors flocking to it as a reliable refuge amid worldwide instability. To put this in perspective for beginners, gold futures, which are contracts to buy or sell gold at a set price in the future, were last traded at $4,005.80 per ounce. This year alone, prices have surged by over 50%. Fueled by President Donald Trump's disruptive influence on international trade and his challenges to the Federal Reserve's autonomy. Think of it like this. Trump's policies are shaking up the global economic playground, making traditional investments feel less secure. And gold is stepping in as the dependable friend everyone turns to during a storm. Central banks and individual investors are snapping up gold at an impressive pace. Governments are stockpiling it to shield themselves from the threat of U.S. sanctions, which could cripple their access to global markets. Meanwhile, everyday consumers are seeking out gold as a hedge against persistent inflation, that nagging rise in prices that erodes the buying power of your money. Like how a dollar buys less groceries than it used to. It's a smart move for those worried about their savings losing value over time. And this is the part most people miss. Even as enthusiasm builds, not everyone is cheering. On Monday, Bank of America advised investors to tread carefully as gold approached the $4,000 mark. They warned of uptrend exhaustion, a term that simply means the upward momentum might be running out of steam, potentially leading to a period of stabilization or even a price drop in the fourth quarter. For newcomers to investing, this is like a marathon runner hitting the wall. The initial burst of energy fades, and a rest or reversal could follow. But here's where opinions diverge sharply. Some experts hail gold as the ultimate safe haven, a timeless asset that has outlasted empires. Others argue it's overvalued, pointing to historical bubbles where prices corrected dramatically. Could Trump's bold moves be artificially inflating gold? Or is this a genuine response to real economic threats? And what about the ethical side? With fake gold bars making headlines, how do we ensure authenticity in a market ripe for scams? This is breaking news, so keep an eye on updates as the situation evolves. What do you think? Is gold your go-to investment in uncertain times? Or are you wary of a potential crash? Do you agree that Trump's policies are driving this surge, or is there more to the story? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take and spark a lively discussion.